Hello everyone, and welcome to another Eurovision reaction video. Today, we'll react to Ukraine's entry for Eurovision 2020-25. I have done other Eurovision reaction videos so far on the channel, so if you do want to give it a watch, please do. If you like seeing this channel, please do give it a like, share, and subscribe. So, without further ado, let's react to Ukraine's entry for Eurovision 2025.
Zajdziesz do mnie, moja ptaszka. Крилами пісня злітає важка. Серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся. Доля довірила всіх останніми знов. Я світла шукаю, гори зверну. And I call you fly, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird of dreams. Вертайся додому, рідна стежка. Спів перелітних пташок народить весну. I know you fly, but I'm begging you, just guess of me and my little bird. Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who's not. But I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of dreams.
Okay. So, what do I think of Ukraine's entry for Eurovision 2025? Very interesting from Ukraine. Not a song they normally usually send to Eurovision 2025. Very different from them. How do I feel about this? I think it's an alright song. I don't really like it, but it's not bad at the same time. I feel like Ukraine had better songs in the past, but this song will at least definitely get to the final. I don't think it will win Eurovision this year. I don't think it's that good enough to win it, but it can probably reach top. It might get a top 10 to finish this year, but not winning it. It's a nice entry, very serenely peaceful, and I actually like the stations of it, like the lovely garden and stuff like that. Very, very real. But overall, not a bad entry for Ukraine, but not a winning Eurovision entry as well. Anyways, that's my thoughts on Ukraine's Eurovision entry for Eurovision 2025. What do you think of Ukraine's entry this year? Do you like it? Do you not? And if you do like what you see in this channel, please do give a like, share, and subscribe. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully see another Eurovision reaction very soon. For now, goodbye.